Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your loyalty card at the store counter, follow these step-by-step instructions for earning rewards and benefits. Step 1. Visit the customer service desk or checkout counter at the store where you received the loyalty card. Step 2. Inform the store associate that you would like to activate your new loyalty card. Step 3. Provide the loyalty card to the associate so they can scan or enter the card number into their system. Step 4. Give your personal information as requested, which typically includes your name, phone number, and email address. Step 5. Provide additional details if required, such as your mailing address or date of birth for verification purposes. Step 6. Review the loyalty program terms and conditions explained by the associate and confirm your enrollment. Step 7. The associate will complete the activation process and may provide you with information about earning points or rewards. Step 8. Your loyalty card is now active and ready to use immediately. Present it during future purchases to earn points, discounts, and exclusive member benefits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.